Here's the fastest way you can make a good YouTube thumbnail without having Photoshop. So the first step in this process is to use whatever you're using to record and make some poses that we're gonna use for our thumbnail. So I have already done this. I made a short video and I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna get a screen capture of what I would want to use for the thumbnail. So let's say that face looks good. I'm just going to come in and I'm going to screenshot this. And I can close that and we're now done with this and we have the image over here. And then from here, we can jump into Canva, which is completely free. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna click on templates. And then we're gonna type in under templates here, YouTube thumbnail. And you can see all the different designs and we can filter to different ones if we wanted to try any kind of different thumbnails we have. So let's find a good fitting one for this. So how about this one? We'll use this one. And we'll click customize this template. It's already in the right size for YouTube. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete this person and any of these other attributes. If I didn't want them, I could delete them or edit them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy and paste my picture in right here. And once this is uploaded, I'm gonna go over to the top left and click edit image. And then I'm gonna click right here and click background remover. And this one is a premium feature, so you do have to have the premium version of this, but there are other tools online you can use as well to just remove it for free. And then you can see it removed the background pretty well. I'm gonna click apply. And as you can see, my fingers are pointing the wrong way, so I'm gonna click on my image again and click flip, and then horizontally. And now I am pointing in the right direction here. And I can resize it to make it however I would want. I'm gonna put myself right here. And if I wanna move these around, let's say, I want to put me down a little bit so my fingers aren't covering it, but you can still see me. And the next step would be to change our text and delete any other little of the images they added. So for this, let's say I'm going to change most to fastest. And I'm going to change this to YouTube. And I can change these colors. So maybe I want to make YouTube red and match the rest of it. And I think that looks good because YouTube is red and white and kind of these colors. And maybe we want to make a thumbnail a little bigger. It looks a little small down there. So we'll increase that, make sure it's still centered and looks good. And boom, you have your thumbnail. All we would do is click share, click download, and you have your YouTube thumbnail. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed with marketing your small business? Let our experienced marketing team help your business grow. With personalized strategies tailored to meet your needs, we'll help you stand out in a crowded market. Contact us today for more information at foxsocialmedia.com.